Imagine a world where you are your own bank. No one can freeze your account or deny you access to your money. Your funds are stored securely in a digital wallet only you control. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now, thanks to decentralized technology. Instead of relying on banks or governments, trust is built into the system using math and code. Today, sending money means dealing with intermediaries who take a cut and slow things down. What if you could send money directly, instantly, with no middlemen? That's the promise of decentralized finance. Power in your hands. It's not just about money. Imagine agreements that enforce themselves, like rental deposits or concert tickets that can't be faked. This technology is called blockchain. Bitcoin was the first to use it for digital money. But what if we could build much more? Imagine an internet where apps are open, fair, and unstoppable. That's where our story begins, with a technology that expands blockchain into a global, programmable platform. Enter Ethereum, the next step beyond Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is a smartphone. You can build and run all kinds of apps, not just send money. Created by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum's vision was a global computer for decentralized applications, or dApps. These dApps aren't owned by any company. They run on thousands of computers worldwide, making them secure and censorship-resistant. Unlike Bitcoin's simple ledger, Ethereum's blockchain is programmable. Developers can write code that runs directly on the network. These programs are called smart contracts, automated, self-enforcing agreements. No lawyers, no banks, just code. Bitcoin's goal was new money. Ethereum's is a new open internet. On Ethereum, you can build finance apps, games, social networks, even voting systems. It's a playground for innovation. The only limit is imagination. Ethereum isn't just about money, it's about building a new digital world. The real magic of Ethereum is smart contracts. Think of them like digital vending machines. You put in input, meet a condition, and get an output automatically. A smart contract is code on the blockchain. If a condition is met, then an action happens. For example, you and a friend bet on a soccer game. Both lock money in a smart contract. If your team wins, the contract pays you. No arguments, no delays. The code is law. Smart contracts are transparent and unstoppable. Anyone can verify the code, and no one can tamper with it. No middlemen needed, no lawyers, no banks. This opens up endless possibilities. Crowdfunding, for instance. A smart contract holds funds and releases them only if the goal is met, or refunds everyone if not. It's logic and code, not trust in a third party. Automated, transparent, and unstoppable agreements. This is what makes Ethereum so powerful. It's more than money, it's programmable trust. Imagine business deals, insurance, or even wills, all enforced by code. Ethereum lets us build systems that just work. That's the power of smart contracts. Where do these smart contracts run? On the Ethereum network, a global web of thousands of computers, or nodes. Each node keeps a copy of the entire blockchain and works together to verify every transaction. This decentralized structure makes Ethereum incredibly secure. No single point of failure, no easy way to hack. If some nodes go offline, the network keeps running. It's always on, 24/7, 365 days a year. Apps built on Ethereum never go down. This reliability is a game changer for critical services. And because no one controls the network, it's censorship resistant. No government or company can block transactions or shut down apps. If a transaction follows the rules, it gets processed. Ethereum ensures open access for everyone, everywhere. It's a computer for the world, run by the world. Ethereum needs fuel to run. This is Ether, or ETH. ETH is the native currency of the network. You use ETH to pay for transactions and run smart contracts. Every action on Ethereum costs a small fee, called gas, paid in ETH. This prevents spam and ensures resources are used wisely. The more complex your transaction, the more gas you pay. ETH is also used to buy digital assets like NFTs and as collateral in decentralized finance apps. It's more than money. It's the foundation of Ethereum's digital economy. Ethereum is the network. ETH is what powers it. Without ETH, nothing moves on Ethereum. How does Ethereum stay secure and honest? Through proof of stake. Instead of energy-hungry mining, Ethereum now uses validators who stake their own ETH as collateral. To become a validator, you lock up ETH and help verify transactions. Validators are randomly chosen to propose or attest to new blocks. Honest work earns rewards in ETH. If a validator cheats, they lose their staked ETH, a process called slashing. This system makes cheating costly and honesty profitable. Proof of stake is greener, more secure, and more accessible than old mining. It's a breakthrough in keeping the network trustworthy. That's how Ethereum stays safe for everyone. So, how is Ethereum used today? In countless ways. Decentralized finance lets people lend, borrow, and trade without banks. Artists sell NFTs directly to fans, keeping more profits. Businesses use Ethereum for transparent supply chains, track a product from farm to store, all on the blockchain. Digital identity apps let users control their own data. Governments are testing Ethereum for secure voting and land records. National banks are exploring digital currencies built on similar tech. The biggest vision? Powering Web3, a new internet owned by users, not corporations. Your identity and assets are yours, moving freely between apps. Ethereum is the foundation for a more open, fair, and empowering digital world. And that's a future worth building.